Paulton, a big deal to have a huge foundation like the Marley brand behind you. Literally have Bob Marley behind you right now. What does that feel like?
Well, as I said inside, it's on the pathway to take off. Tonight we are lifting up. This partnership will help us to ensure that we cover all facets of basketball, from grassroots to elite and mid-size. We need to have a better foundation for basketball. We need more kids playing basketball. We're going to the grassroots program, broaden the base, ensure that we have more kids playing basketball, can transition to other areas. So we're looking at all facets of basketball. Have quite a few potential partners here. We're going to continue the dialogue with them to see where it takes us.
Now we're talking to Coach, and you have this big event coming up in August. How are preparations from your side going to try and get everything together for that championship?
Administratively, we are pulling things together now. We are identifying players. We're doing all the required things from FIBA. We ensure that players are available and ready. The tournament, August 8th to 10th, we're actually waiting on FIBA to determine whether it's in Chile or actually in Mexico. We're planning to have an open trial 5th and 6th of July, and then ultimately a training camp possibly in Florida from the 28th of July to the 5th of August. So all pieces are so much coming into place, and we're hoping for a very successful first stage of the final.